Good afternoon, dear traders.
Hello everyone, welcome to ИнстаФорекс economic news channel with us, Anna Kasatkina
and Kate Nidachina.
You are watching currency and commodity markets review over the last week.
So what were the trends on the currency floors?
The US dollar strengthened considerably against its major peers.
And what were the catalysts for such moves?
The greenback rebounded amid the rosy reports from the US jobs market. The US dollar skyrocketed against the majors on Friday after the USA reported on higher than expected jobs figures, the statistics that flagged economic rebound in May. Nobody had expected that the economy would create 280,000 new jobs in May. The analysts had forecast only 225,000 vacancies. However, the revision of April reading to the downside from 223,000 to 221,000, as well as an unexpected jobless rate increased to 5.5% from 5.4%. Was the fly in the ointment, although this news had a little impact on the market. Apart from this, hourly wage rose 0.3% in May, exceeding the forecasts. Nevertheless, the euro closed out the session at 1.1116, which is 123 points higher than last Friday's close. Compared with the Thursday's quotes, the US dollar gained 256 points and the pair was trading above the level of 1.1380. The euro managed to outperform the US dollar at the beginning of the week, but on Thursday, on the heels of the Greek issue, the currency went down and the cheer data from the USA sent the pair to the downside at the end of the week. On Friday, the euro was pressured by lower German bonds yields and fruitless negotiations between the Greek government and creditors. Thus, Greece is going to bundle all its loan repayments into one totaling 1.6 billion euro, which is due on June 30. The ICE US dollar index finished the week at 96.35, having lost 54 points over the week. Compared to the Thursday's low at 95.62, the indicator grew by 73 points. This is all about the currency moves.
Thank you for the currency market roundup, Kate.
You're welcome, Anna. And what is the news on the commodity market?
Well, at the end of the week, the commodities were in red.
And why did investors revert from oil and gold?
There were different reasons. Oil lost in price amid the OPEC statements, while gold went down on the US labor data. On Friday, another OPEC meeting was held in Vienna. The organization left its production target unchanged. Now, collective output level of the oil cartel totals 30 million barrels of oil daily. The WTI quote rebounded right before the bell rang to close the session following the news on another reduction in number of active drilling rigs in the USA. July futures added $1.13 to settle at $59.13 per barrel. After the OPEC decision, the prices were below $57. The weekly decline was 1.9%. Brent futures for July delivery inched up by $1.28 to $63.31. Over the week, futures lost about 3.4%. Baker Hughes reported that as of June the 5th, 4 more drilling rigs were closed in the USA, bringing the total number of active rigs to 642. Meanwhile, gold dropped to almost 3-month low as strong employment data in the US non-farm sector boosted optimism in country's economic rebound and fueled expectations of interest rates hike this year. In New York, during COMEX trading session, gold futures for August delivery hit the session low at $1,162.10, the weakest mark since the 19th of March, and then closed at $1,168.10, losing $7.10.
Anna, thank you for the commodity market overview.
You're welcome, Kate.
You have watched weekly review of currency and commodity markets on ИнстаФорекс TV channel.
The report was presented to you by Kate Nidachina
and Anna Kasatkina.
Take care and goodbye.
See you.